he wants to turn the music.
Hi. Hi, Jack.
What did he just do?
Did you hear that burp? That was him.
Very loud.
Oh, God. You are out of your mind.
Oh, I gotta move those.
Jack. Jack, hide.
Oh, no. Whoa. Whoa, no. Whoa, no.
Jack, hide.
These are not good baby toys.
Hey.